What joy in the house! New LED chandelier with brightness and color control panel. How healthy! But the day came and, oops, the chandelier does not turn on. It is necessary to remove the entire chandelier and carry it in for repair and hang it again after the repair. And what to do if this happens every half a year and there is no longer a guarantee? Let's show you today how easy and cheap it is to remake our $120 chandelier. First of all, we will buy a 5-socket chandelier that costs $10. It must be disassembled and connected to the contacts in 2 groups. We extend the contacts with 3 wires for connection to 0 and 2 phases through a switch. Then we remove and disassemble the burnt chandelier. Pull out the LEDs and relays. And instead, we will install a new chandelier inside the burnt one. We connect the wires and hang the remade chandelier to the ceiling. And then we will install the lampshade. To make the light control remotely, we will buy an electronic switch for $12. And now everything is ready. Convenient and secure.